proposal delimitation of Lok Sabha constituencies is hanging over our heads like the sword of Damocles. That we, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Odisha, West Bengal, and Punjab, are now uniting in protest. We are gathered here to mark the beginning of our coordinated resistance by forming a joint action committee. The union government's actions, from fiscal policies to language policies to cultural policies to now even the fixation of representation, are destabilizing India's federal system and democratic framework. This sudden move is not driven by any constitutional principle or any democratic imperative, but by narrow political interests. This meeting will serve as strong foundation for the formation and functioning of the Joint Action Committee, which is a fight to preserve India's soul as a diverse and inclusive democracy.